Hello, good evening, and welcome to today's class. In this class, I'm going to be showing you how to use Telegram for your crypto interactions. So very quickly, what you need to do is to download Telegram, um, and then get it installed and updated and whatever. Now, I'm used to using Telegram X for my crypto interactions, while I use the normal Telegram for my crypto research and study. Okay, because I'm all about building my knowledge base. So I use Telegram X. So for this tutorial, I'll use Telegram X. So what you need to do is after installing, you open the Telegram, whichever one you are using. After you open it up, um, these are all the Telegram channels I'm presently on. So about 400 and something. If I open the other actual Telegram I use for my study, you will see that I actually am part of 105. I use this Telegram because I set it so that nobody I know will message me. I don't like to be seeing my contacts interrupting my crypto interaction. So that's why I'm using Telegram for that particular purpose. But this anybody can see me, anybody can message me. But back to our point, this is your normal Telegram. If you want to access your Telegram profile, what you need to do is um, go over to this hamburger menu by your top left, click on it. Then you have access to your settings. In your settings, one of the first things you should do is to make sure that you specify your username. Very important. Several crypto interactions you'll be doing, it will require that you drop your username, okay, or it will require that their website or bot fetch your username. So you need to set it. If you can, you can set a description. All right, you can set a description if you can. Then also, I think that's the basic setting you need for Telegram. Now, you join channels depending on the crypto interaction you are doing. Each of these channels can be giving you updates concerning the project. Like this is for Athene, this is for Cookie. Yeah, it should be for Cookie. This is for Cookie also. Now, what you should take note of is that you can actually pin chats the way you pin WhatsApp. Okay, so I follow this guy a lot because he gives alphas always. Okay, he gives very good alphas. All right, and then there are some others I am actually following on my study Telegram. Like this guy, he gives a lot of alphas. This guy also give a lot of alphas. So I pin people's chats depending on how relevant I feel they are to me, and you should do the same. If you want to put a picture, you can also put a picture. Now, if you're interacting with any crypto project, chances are that it will prompt you to open their Telegram channel. So you should join that. You should open the Telegram channel and join. If you need to verify yourself, you also verify yourself. I think that's the basic thing about using Telegram. Just follow the channels you're interested in. Then you can search for somebody depending. Okay, these are my private messages on Telegram X. You can actually message somebody depending on whether you know the person's username. Like I know my study Telegram username, it is minor Sam. So this is it. You see that I do a lot of back and forth sending of messages between this particular Telegram and the other one, right? So you can search for somebody. If you are a movie person, also you can actually search for movies directly. So if you are looking for instance, Lord of the Rings, which is beside the point, but just to stress my point, Lord of the Rings, you can actually search for anything on Telegram and it will give you answers, right? So it can lead you to channels where you can download the actual movies. So it's the same thing if you're searching for stuff related to crypto, for instance, Testnets. Okay, if you want to be getting updates on different Testnets, or you want to get updates on different social farming, blah blah blah, you can just search and join. So your interest determine what you join, right? So crypto test nets and updates and ton test nets. I've not actually been a part of ton, so I'll just join this one. See, um, they are not very active and it's not English based. So I'll just leave it. So this one seems to be legit. see the number of subscribers 50,000. So I'm going to just follow them, and then I'm going to unmute. I actually set my Telegram to unmute anybody I don't feel is important to my crypto hustle. I actually have the person muted. So by default, every channel is muted except the ones I'm really interested in. So I'm going to enable notification so that anytime they drop any legit update, I'll get it here. See DOP just paid some people out recently. Okay, so they have DOP. All right, and other different tests. So what you are interested in determines what you search for. So if you're interested in airdrops, airdrops, right, you can join airdrops. You see, so airdrops, and then just click on discuss, join chat. If you see in their chat, this is Pyth, this is parcel allocation. I think parcel is live right now. Okay, so people can check. I'm not part of parcel. Parcel required that parcel is retroactive. Retroactive because you have to deposit some money into your account to participate. It's just like the flow, right? So remember, you can join as many Telegram channels as you want. Okay, this is Nabiru. Nabiru actually gave us airdrop recently. I think I think 30 something thousand in airdrop, right? So that's just it for Telegram. The settings are not much. Just make sure you have your username set. You also make sure that your privacy is important. Okay, you can actually mute everybody. Where is it? You can actually mute everybody so that it's only the important channels that will be dropping you messages. So with this, we're done with Telegram. So with this also, we have concluded the 5 basic um, applications you need to install on your device to be able to participate in crypto properly. So thank you for watching through the whole 5 series of videos. Thank you so much for, yeah, that's it. Take take care of yourself. We'll see you in the subsequent videos.